Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to run Java program in Visual Studio Code Editor. Here are prerequisites that you should have installed the Java JDK on your machine and you should have installed VS Code. So we will divide our video into two parts. So first step will be installation of JDK and second step will be installation of VS Code, and finally we will run Java program in VS Code. So first we'll see whether JDK is available on machine or not. So type cmd in search box so that you will open the command prompt. Now type java space hyphen hyphen version. Now see, it is showing Java is not recognized as a command. It means that I don't have this Java on my machine. So let's start with video. First we will install the Java. So first open the Google Chrome web browser. Now in this type JDK download. Now see, it will redirect you towards the official website to download JDK. So here oracle.com official website is there. So just click on Java downloads. If you scroll down, it is showing it is available Java 22, 21 and Java 17. Now see, JDK 22 is the latest version. Again, it is showing downloads available for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. My operating system is Windows. Again, in Windows, we have to download MSI installer, that is last option, and it is of 64-bit. So downloading is started here. Once download is completed here, it is showing MSI installer is downloaded. So just you have to double click on it. Just press the next button. Again next. It is showing message Java is successfully installed. So just select the close option. Now friends, before using this Java JDK, we have to set the path, we have to set the environment variables, then only we can use this. We have to open program files folder. It is on C drive. Again from program files folder, you will get Java folder. Again JDK within that bin. So you have to copy the path up to pin folder. Just copy this path by using Ctrl+C key and minimize this window. Now in search box, type the command env. This command is used to open the window to edit the environment variables. So here, if you observe towards bottom right corner, environment variables, so just click on it. Now you will get different variables available. So here already this Java home is available. I will delete this. I want to add new variable. So just click on new button. So type the variable name Java underscore home and you have to paste the path here. But it should be up to JDK folder, that is a JDK 22. Means you have to just remove this slash and bin. Okay, and after this just click on OK button. Now we have set the variable, environment variable. We have to set path also. So just select the path variable here. Again, we want to add new path. So just click on new and whatever path we have copied, just paste just that path here. And just click on OK button. Here my previous path is also it is showing. So just I will remove that path. Otherwise you can put that previous path as it is if it is the same. Just click on OK button. Click on OK. Now again open the command prompt from search box. Type the command cmd. Again here type the command java space hyphen hyphen version and just press enter button. Now see, right now we have installed Java JDK 22. So it is showing Java 22 which is available. That is our runtime environment. Now you can close this window. Now we will move towards the next step, that is installation of VS Code editor. So again open the Google Chrome web browser. So again open the Google Chrome web browser. In this type VS Code. download. Just press the enter button. Now see, it is showing official website to download VS Code. So just click on this. Now see, it is showing different downloads available for Windows, for Linux, Mac OS. Okay. Here option is there, download. Again, from here also you can click Visual Studio Code so that it will show the compatible version for your machine. So just click on download for Windows. Now my download is completed. So just open the folder and just double click on this file. Just click on next button. I want to create the stop icons. Just check all these options and click on next button. You can click on install. Now see, it is showing Visual Studio setup is completed and launch the Visual Studio Code. If you want to launch right now, just check this and click on finish option. First, we need to download some extensions. Towards left side, extension on this extension. And as we want to execute Java program, so just type here Java. Now see, here it is showing extension pack for Java. Just click on it. It is already installed on my machine. If you have not installed, here you will get install option and you have to install that option. Then you will get different extensions. It is showing total seven extensions available for here for Java. Install these extensions. Again, we need to install one more extension to run the program, that is a code runner. Then click on this. This code runner is required to run our program. So just check on your machine whether it is already installed or not. If it is not installed, just you have to select the install option here. Okay, it is already installed on my machine. That's why it is showing the options uninstall. Once you install both the extensions, then you can start typing your Java program. For that purpose, you have to create folder. So at top left corner, you will get 3 lines. After that, file option is there. Then we want to create new folder. So from this file option, you have to select the option open folder. Now from here, you can select any your existing folder or you can create new folder also. So I'm going to create here new folder. For example, I will create folder as a Java program. Java programs. I am going to select this folder. Once you select this folder, that path will get added in your VS Code editor. Now see, if you observe toward left side, it is showing my folder here, Java programs, and this path is added to my VS Code. Within this folder, I want to create a new Java file. So from here, either you can create new file or here also you can click to create new file. So here I will click new file and I want to create the file welcome.java. Now see, so start the typing program. We will write the name of the class as a class. Now see, in Java rule is there, whatever name you are giving to class, same name should be there for the file. That's why I am taking the class name as a welcome. Again, within this, we have to write Java program entry point, that is public static void main method. So I will type PSVM, that is public static void main. If you type only PSVM, automatically it will show this method. So just click on this. It will add public static void main. After that, I want to type output statement. So I will type sout. Okay, so it will automatically show the option here for the method system.out.println. Now what I want to display on my output window, I want to display welcome to ST. So it is showing that statement here. So save the program. Either you can press Ctrl S button or from here you will get option file and after that save option you will get. or you can directly press Control S option. Now we can run our program. If you see top right corner, one icon is there, triangular, that is showing to run the code. So just click on it and it is showing output, welcome to ST. Now friends, this output is on terminal. But what if I want to take input from user? For that purpose, you need to do more settings within this VS Code. Before that, modify this program. Within this, we'll say it, keep the class name as it is. We'll keep the method as it is. Just we will add one input function, that is scanner, and we are taking input from user. So for that we have to import a file. So I will type here import java dot util dot, okay, this S should be capital for scanner, and in output statement, suppose we want to type enter value, and we are going to take input as a string. So we'll type the statement string str. We are going to create object for the string is equal to sc. Now see here, to scan input from user, we have created this sc object. So I will type sc dot next line. Now see, it is showing the functions next line. Okay, here we will use a out statement. Just type s out, it will show the system dot out dot println method. Again here, I want to display the same statement what I have entered. So I will type you entered str object. After this, we want to close this function also. So just type s dot close. Now automatically it will show this close. Just save this program, press the Ctrl S button, and try to run this program by using this run. So before executing this program, as we are taking input from user, so we need to do some setting. Select this file option. After this file, we have to select the preferences options. If you scroll down this, you will get the preferences. Again, from preferences, you have to select the setting, and you have to type run in terminal. Okay, so it is showing the option here for terminal. So you have to just check this option, run in terminal, and you have to just check this option so that it will be able to take input from user. Okay, now we'll move towards the program welcome.java. Save the program by using Ctrl S and run the program. Just save the program and run. Now see, it is showing on window, that is enter value. So I will type the value here. Welcome to SPA. Please subscribe to meet me again, and just press enter statement as a output. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.